I had to mention who are the attendees for each of these meetings. First, the daily stand-up meeting. It is usually a daily huddle, like a daily huddle meeting to review the main points or the main obstacles of the project. It usually includes the team members or the development team. The product owner and the scrum master can be there, but it's optional. They can be there or they cannot be there. The sprint review meeting, it's basically done to assess the project against the sprint goals. And it usually includes the product owner, the scrum team, the scrum master, the management, the customers, and developers from the other projects. Okay, the retrospective meeting, it usually includes all the development team, from design to building and testing, the scrum master and the product owner. The last meeting, the spike, actually I tried to, as much as I can, to check who are the attendees. I didn't get clear feedback from the book, or I couldn't understand who exactly has to attend that. The basic purpose of this meeting is to focus on gathering information in case there's a particular issue or a problem in order to resolve it. So in my opinion, the attendees include the Scrum Master, the Scrum team, the development team, and product owner. I'm not sure if this is 100% correct or if there's anything that you can add on it or...
Cool. Great. Wallahi, it's very valuable one sheet presentation. Mr. Joe here is telling that Spike will have all possible stakeholders that are related to the issue that we are solving, which is 100% correct. Because Ms. Dareen is saying that it's a focus meeting or a focus group meeting that's focusing on solving the issue that led us to the spike. Then definitely we need everybody who can help in solving and removing this impediment, which is 100% correct. And this slide is a core slide for your exam guides. You need to know who's attending those meetings. From my side, the sprint review, definitely everybody is attending. In reality, not everybody is attending. The responsible guys, they're related to this iteration specifically. Definitely the Scrum Master is there every time. Product owner is to be able to discuss with the client what's the situation, what's the next iteration prioritization as well, right? And we need to know that the product owner does not have an authority over the team. Cool. So he doesn't have the authority to tell them what to do for the next slide because he wants them to do whatever. He will hand over the priorities backlog and they will be selecting on how to develop that and what to take for the next iteration. Cool. I think we have one more, right? Rakis, right?
Thank you.
But I think you need to change your throat. Huh? Thank you so much, Ms. Dareen.